Life is precious. Family is precious. Working at heights is a severe risk. This is a 360 anchor with smart engineering. It is a personal fall arrest device. No time or expense was spared in engineering the ultimate solution in personal fall arrest anchoring. The 360 high precision fabrication, designed and made to be one of the best fall arrest anchor systems in Australia. And it's Australian made. It is a true engineering masterpiece. And to show you why, we put it to the ultimate test. (1,560 kilograms of weight, being supported by a single 360 anchor device. Not only does it allow your job to be done with ease, but it is designed to arrest your fall if the worst was to happen. It too will give you total peace of mind, so that every worker gets home safely. It's what is precious to you and to Safer.